What's up, everybody? Hopefully everyone's doing well. In case you're wondering where's the backdrop, here we go. Yes, indeed. Prices dropping. I am still buying. Hopefully you are not wasting these dips. Don't waste them. Don't waste them. I would not want you to be the one to have to FOMO into the market once you see gold, silver, or even platinum prices take off. Well. I must have to say, the individual that packaged this up has done a great job. Double packaging. Nice and secure. You wouldn't even be able to guess what's in these packages. More packaging. Nice. Nice. Definitely not something that I'll keep, but nice. Okay, did we really have to put the ASE in this mini? Oh, will you look at that? What do we have here? Interesting. This is definitely a call. Definitely a call piece for sure. I don't recall seeing this when I made this purchase. Something must have happened. Pick them up when you can. It's unfortunate to see an ASE abused like that. It is unfortunate. It's unfortunate that we actually placed each of these items in a separate bag. That's okay. It's better safe and secure than it being an indicator of something valuable is in this package and is leading to some of those male thieves. Male thieves. And here we go again with some marks. What in the world is going on here? What is this mess? Why are these coins tagged up like this? So somebody put permanent marker on here, or the hell is this? Definitely need to test these for sure. Test them, make sure they're authentic. Something I would do. Something that I will not record. I'm not going to record the testing process. But this is pretty much some of the most recent pickups. A 10th ounce gold prospector. That's probably around melt, below melt. Got another 10th ounce gold prospector. These prospectors don't carry premiums in comparison to your gold eagles and maple leafs, but they are a pretty cheap way to pick up and accumulate cheap gold for sure. This is ridiculous. I would definitely have to say, if this doesn't come off, I may have to report or put a claim in, or at least talk to the person that I bought these items from to figure out what in the hell is that. That's horrible. Cool piece. Nice giveaway. Anyhow, these are all picked up from an online auction. So here we go. Here is the verdict. What the hell is this? Come on now. Come on now. That is not what I've seen on the live auction stream. These were not off quality damaged product that I bid on during the live auction. Now, I won't tell you what that auction site is because I do not get paid. I am not compensated to market them. But these are some issues you have to be concerned about. Again, I will have to test to make sure that these are authentic, but you buy something online and they go into their stash and then send you the worst of the worst with the hopes that you do not complain. If I would have known that these were coal product, in which by all means, this is not the Silver Eagles that was shown and displayed on screen, I would have paid much lesser. Now, neither here nor there, I did not pay much at all. I didn't pay a premium for these at all. I actually picked these up at spot, but come on. The resale value of these are going to be affected because they're off quality. So yes, this is going to be added to the stack. I may have to move some of this product around so I can get cleaner, fresher product in that I want to add to the deep stack. Because again, I like all quality product, but I must have to admit, these Eagles are ugly. Absolutely disgusting. We got some generic 10th ounce gold prospectors added. I'm definitely going to move those as well and upgrade those 10th ounce to maybe maple leafs, Britannias, gold eagles, something that tends to carry a bit of a premium, but utilize the volatility in the market and then eventually move those generic 10th ounce product and again, convert that to something that's more premium wise, something that stack better for the long term. Bring in the generic, flip your generic, take your profits, build out a stack that you enjoy. But these are the things you have to be concerned about when you're dealing with these live auctions, or if you're just looking at a photo of something that sometimes these photos doesn't necessarily represent the items that they have on hand. Somebody definitely went into their inventory and sold me the worstest of the worst that they needed to offload. And they're probably banking on the fact that I don't cause an issue because, again, you'll have to deal with the headache of sending items back. But there are customer support processes in place that if you're not satisfied with certain things, you can file a complaint. So I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do about this and see if it's something worth bringing to the seller attention. Or maybe they can send me another Silver Eagle for free because of the inconvenience. That'd be nice. And then I will be at a hush. So anyway, still buying, taking advantage of these pullbacks. No pullbacks should be wasted. And hopefully you are still stacking. If you're still rocking with me this far, give this video a thumbs up, hit that like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Wow, there were some ugly Eagles. Stay motivated, stay dedicated, and keep hustling. Peace.